So this is chapter 4, section 5, number 19. And we have a function given there, f of x is 8 plus x to negative 1/3 power. And we want to approximate the value at negative 0.1 when x is negative 0.1. Now, finding cube roots, I can't do that in my head. So that's why we have to approximate. We're able to do that. And they're telling us we want the point of tangency to be 0. So that means our x1 will be 0. How do you find the y-coordinate point of tangency? You plug in 0. I put 0 there, and I get 8. What's the cube root of 8? It's going to be 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. But the negative exponent moves it to the bottom, so it's going to be 1/2. So the cube root of 8 is 2, but the negative moves to the bottom, so it's 1/2. So now we have our y-coordinate. Our tangent line approximation is just a line. So the equation of a line that we've been doing all year long is that. So we get 1/2. We need the slope. So how do you find the slope? Great question. Everyone should know the slope of the tangent line is the derivative. So let's find the derivative of f. It's box to the negative 1/3 power. The power rule says I move the negative 1/3 in front. Now box, I decrease the exponent by 1, which is negative 4/3, times the derivative box, which is 1. So if I write this out, it's negative 1 over 3 is on the bottom, the cube root of 8 plus x to the 4th power. And again, you have to understand what's happening. The negative moves it to the bottom. The top number is the exponent. The bottom number is the root. So therefore, we have the 3rd root raised to the 4th power. Now, where do we want the slope? We want the slope at the point of tangency. So what do we plug in? 0 or 1/2? Well, we have x, we plug in 0. So f prime at 0 will be negative 1 over 3 times the cube root of 8 plus 0 to the 4th power. What is the cube root of 8? That's going to be 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th, what is that? 2, 4, 16. 16 times 3, I think it's 48. Crazy. So that's my slope. And then I'm going to simplify this. It's negative 1 over 48x, and I add the 1/2 to the other side. That's my tangent line. I will call it L of x, representing the linear approximation. So we will use this equation instead of the f equation. And this will approximate f. So to approximate at negative 0.1, like it asked for, we want L at negative 0.1, which is opposite of negative 0.1 over 48 plus 1/2. Ooh, this is getting kind of ugly. This will be 1/2 plus 0.1 over 48. Wow. 1/2 plus, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 10, 1 over 480. Okay, I'm done. I'm not going to figure that out. You guys can figure that out.